It all lies between a 10-kilometer stretch from Bandra to Andheri. There are thousands of offices here of filmmakers of all kinds, independent filmmakers, producers, corporate houses, studios, musicians, directors, actors, casting people, post-production houses. All of these people in this 10-kilometer stretch are working day and night. They are working very hard to sustain and survive on this industry which is worth a couple of thousand crores. The activity of filmmaking has become so centralized that everything is just happening here in this stretch. And it appears that outside this stretch, there is no future, there is no hope, there is no possibilities for any filmmaker or an aspiring filmmaker to do something. Whenever this kind of a centralized activity happens, there will always be a problem. For every one person that gets his chance or whose day is made, there will be hundreds or thousands others who will be left out with no future, with no possibilities. Normally ये होता है कि आप बॉम्बे के बाहर किसी शहर में होते हैं, छोटे टाउन में होते हैं, and you watch movies and you feel that this was not right, मैं ये इससे better कर सकता था, the end should have been like this, or you have these ideas and then you share it with your friends. Some friends will encourage you, some will discourage you. Family 90% of the times will discourage you. Most of the family people, because they are worried about you. वो बोलेंगे कि आप डॉक्टर बनो, आप इंजीनियर बनो, आप कुछ अच्छा काम करो, आप क्यों फिल्म मेकर बनना चाहते हो, ये बेकार की लाइन है, इसमें कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है. To tell anybody in India that I want to do something different, I want to be a writer, I want to be a filmmaker, I want to paint, I want to be a graffiti artist, I want to do tattoos, anything of that sort, you are immediately labeled as good for nothing. After a point of time you realize कि ये लोग मुझे कोई समझने वाले नहीं हैं, तो you decide कि मैं अपने बैग्स पैक करूँगा and I will go to Bombay. आपको ये लगता है कि आप जब बॉम्बे में आएंगे तो कम से कम आपके जैसे और फिल्म मेकर्स होंगे या एस्पायरिंग फिल्म मेकर्स होंगे, एटलीस्ट ये लोग समझ पाएंगे कि मेरा पैशन क्या है, मेरा दर्द क्या है, और हम लोग साथ में मिलकर इस इंडस्ट्री में कुछ काम करेंगे. मगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे आने के बाद उससे ज़्यादा झेलना पड़ता है, बिकॉज हियर यू आर लेबल्ड एज अ स्ट्रगलर. और स्ट्रगलर बॉलीवुड में मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म मेकिंग में एक गाली के बराबर है. स्ट्रगलर होने का मतलब है आप किसी काम के नहीं हो, नोबडी वांट्स यू, आप अपने बैग्स पैक करो वापस और घर चले जाओ, भैया आपकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's a very disillusioning process. Every time it's not possible for somebody to be at the right place at the right time, and they don't get opportunities. And it's a sad thing that they have to pack their bags and go back. There's this really huge community of these aspiring filmmakers who don't have a direction.